Hi guys, welcome back to Speedy Gonzalez. It's been quite a while since I posted a video. What it was, I was actually waiting for parts to arrive. I was actually supposed to be recording the whole process of rebuilding the vehicle. I put my phone on record and I've just had a look and nothing's actually been recorded, unfortunately. But as you can see from the last video, everything was damaged. The wing was completely off, the bumper, the headlights. Don't get me wrong, it's not fully aligned yet, but as you can tell, it looks a lot better than what it was. So as you come along, I still need to get all these marks off. You see the panel gapping is absolutely perfect. It still needs a bit of an alignment, but apart from that, everything else is brilliant. If you go onto this side, if you have a look, the panel gapping is brilliant. The lights, so as you remember, this light was the original one for the vehicle. This light, one tab was broken, but apart from that, everything else was perfect. Whereas this side was completely missing. So I sourced a second-hand headlight, and it works, but the xenon light is a different color. I'll show you like that in a second. Right guys, have a look at this one. This one's absolutely perfect. I don't think it's quite clear, but then as you come across to the second-hand one, it's a different color. It's a kind of pinkish color. You can't really tell on color, but well, you can't really tell on camera, but see, that's a completely different color from that to that. I still need to order a number. The number plate still needs to go on, and a couple of engine bay. One sec. So the scuttle panel needs to come on, the top bit for the front of the engine bay cover, the scuttle panel for the top, and that's about it, to be honest. And I'm gonna get the car taken off here so we can get it washed and get all this off. As you can tell, this is gonna be quite difficult to come off. I've been at it, scrubbing it, and it took me a couple of hours to do the other side. But yeah, this is gonna take quite some while. And as you come along, there's quite a lot actually. But yeah guys, here it is, looking 10 times better.